Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Hussain. So I think this video is gonna be so crazy because I have been studying since morning. I seriously have studied a lot today. I studied Hindi and I studied maths. I know it does not sound a lot, but I did study a lot because I had a tuition of 1.5 hours for maths. So frustrating because I actually hate maths. And the second thing I did was Hindi. Hindi is something I really don't like, and I just am never able to do it. Today we'll be kind of mixing up the subjects. A lot of people wanted me to study science and social science, so I picked the top two subjects that I study, which are science and social science. Actually, I have a schedule of studying, so like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like all days of the week I have a schedule, and only on Sunday I get a chill day where I can do whatever I want according to myself. Whatever happens, I still need to edit and post on Monday. So I'm trying to get back into my routine. I'm trying to study as much. I'm trying to get 95% in my boards this year. So that's what's happening right now. And I just feel without wasting time, we should start with my pulling an all-nighter to study, which is going to be a pure disaster. So yeah. So welcome to my kitchen. I've been searching since morning and I don't think there's anything in this kitchen that I actually want to have. I don't know what it is, but like my doctor told me I cannot have anything that's fried or oily or anything, and he also said no to coffee, but like I stopped drinking coffee every day like a long time ago. Okay, yeah. So this is like the jeera masala soda that my shit. Anyways, this is the jeera masala soda that my mom said was inside, and I think I'll just have this because there's nothing else literally in my house. I was thinking of having white bread and like, yeah, I'll just have like, I'll make myself a toast and I'll have this. So I think I'll be good to go, and yeah. So it is right now around 12:45, I think. Yeah, it's the time. Yeah, it's 12:45, and I am finally planning to like study because I got my break that I needed, and I have been studying. I studied Hindi and maths as I said earlier, and now I think I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of physics. I started this chapter of physics, electricity, I think. Yeah, I have to finish that chapter and then we're gonna go ahead to the next. And I think I want to finish physics before I finish chemistry, because physics is the toughest subject that I have had to deal with. Oh, actually, wait, I changed my mind. I'm supposed to do history today because I was supposed to do history on Thursday, but then I eventually couldn't do history on Thursday. And so I'll be doing history now, which means I am doing history now. Uh, yeah. feel so bad. Like, I really hate this. Anyways, I have almost done the first chapter. I think I've not even seen how many pages. Oh, I'm on the last page of the first chapter. That's pretty good. Like, it's actually per se a first chapter. I don't know how many there are. I didn't really count. Yeah, there are like 4 chapters. And of history, I completed the first chapter today. It is not that hard, but again, there's a timeline and stuff, and I think there's like a little stuff that's left. So yeah, that's what's going on. So I have finished half an hour ka video. Now I'll do the next half an hour ka video in my next week's class, or like next week. Like, if I feel like I want to complete history, then I'll complete history. It's like, I'm very moody. If I'm in a mood to study more, I'll study a lot, and if I'm not in a mood, I might not study enough. Hi, so as you just saw, I was reviewing a few of my history notes and basically everything that I'm after my book. Like, I just basically read the first 2 pages. I was very slow with it because I wasn't in the mood to read history. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go over my English topics, and I am gonna listen to my English lectures, like not lectures, like chapters. I think that's what you call them, English stories, whatever you call them. I'll be listening to them right now at like 2:30, like literally. Anyways, after that we'll see what we can do. Hey guys, so it's currently 3:40. I think I stressed myself a little too much today. It has been an overwhelming day, but I'm really happy. I got a lot done. I read, I watched a little Netflix, I studied, and it was the right proportion. I just did not work out today. So if it was workout and healthy food, obviously it would have been the perfect day, like that girl day, but it wasn't. So it's okay, but I'm very proud of me, and I'm very happy that I plan to study today. I plan to actually do something with my day today. Anyways, I love talking to you guys so freaking much. You have no idea. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and please come back to my channel very soon and subscribe my channel. If you haven't hit the bell icon, please do that as well. Like this video, comment, and share it to your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching. Bye.